In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off OneDrive notifications. If you're getting too many alerts from OneDrive and you want a quieter, less distracting experience, this is a quick setting you can adjust in just a moment. Turning off notifications can be helpful if you already check OneDrive manually, or if you simply don't want pop-ups and updates appearing while you work. To begin, open OneDrive so you can access its settings menu. Once you're in the OneDrive window or interface, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see the settings icon, which usually looks like a small gear. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This is where OneDrive keeps the main options for managing how the app behaves. After clicking the gear icon, a menu will appear. From that menu, click on Settings. This will open the section where you can control different OneDrive preferences, including account behavior, syncing options, and notification settings. If you don't immediately see everything at once, that's normal. Just focus on finding the category related to notifications. Next, click on Notifications. This is the area where OneDrive lets you choose which alerts you want to receive. Depending on your version of OneDrive, you may see several checkboxes that control different types of notifications. These can include things like updates, reminders, or other status messages from the app. To turn off the notifications, simply uncheck the boxes in this section. As you remove the check marks, you're telling OneDrive not to send those alerts anymore. If your goal is to fully reduce notification pop-ups, make sure all the boxes in the notifications section are unchecked. Take a second to review them carefully so you don't leave one enabled by accident. Once the boxes are unchecked, your changes are usually applied automatically. But if you see a Save, Apply, or OK button, click it before closing the window. That helps make sure your updated preferences are stored properly. And that's it. OneDrive notifications should now be turned off, giving you a cleaner and less interrupted experience while using your computer. If you ever want to turn the notifications back on later, just return to the same notification section and recheck the boxes you want. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to turn off OneDrive notifications.